this is our table. 2 centimetres by 1 centimetre. Hang on, that doesn't sound very likely, does it? We'll carry on reading. It is on a plan, which has a scale of 1 to 75. Now that means 1 inch, bear with me, 1 inch on the map equals 75 inches in real life. It means 1 bogey on the map equals 75 bogeys in real life. It means 1 dog poo on the map plan equals 75 dog poos in real life. It doesn't matter what unit you want, but I hear you say, Sarah, this is in centimetres, and indeed it is, my child. I'm not quite sure where that came from. So it was a helpful suggestion from the computer. So, what is the real distance around the table? Let's have a look. How many lots of 75 have we got? 1, 2. And then this is 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is 75 times 6. 5 times 6 is 30. 7 times 6 is 42. 42 plus 3 is 45. Now 45 what? 40. Actually, it's not even 45, is it? It's 450 centimetres. Is that then? Don't fall into that trick. 450 metres, that would be a huge, impossibly big table. So it's not that one. So, we're going to have to convert it. It's not 6 centimetres. It's not 45 centimetres. We're going to have to convert it into metres. So centimetres, decimetres, metres. It's 4.5 metres. Or if you prefer, you can say there are 100 centimetres in a metre, so you bounce it in 2 times because there are 2 noughts and 100. See you soon.